Hitting the bullseye, understanding an English idiom. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating English phrase, hit the bullseye. This phrase is not just about archery. It's a colorful part of everyday English language. So, let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some interesting examples. Stay tuned. In this section, we will explore the origin of the phrase, hit the bullseye. It actually comes from the sport of archery. In archery, the bullseye refers to the center of a target. When an archer hits this spot, they score the maximum points. Over time, this term started being used metaphorically in everyday language to mean achieving something precisely or perfectly. Now, let's discuss how hit the bullseye is used in modern English. When someone says they hit the bullseye, they mean they have achieved something exactly as intended or got something absolutely right. It's often used in situations where accuracy, whether literal or figurative, is involved. For example, if someone makes a guess that turns out to be correct, they could say they hit the bullseye. Let's look at some examples to see how hit the bullseye is used in sentences. 1. When John figured out the solution to the difficult math problem, he really hit the bullseye. 2. Her speech about climate change hit the bullseye and resonated with everyone in the audience. 3. Guessing that I wanted a book for my birthday, you really hit the bullseye. These examples show how versatile this phrase can be in conveying accuracy and success. There are some variations of the phrase that you might hear. For instance, hit the mark, or nail it, convey similar meanings. They all emphasize the idea of being precise or correct in what one is aiming to do. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, hit the bullseye, and how it's used in English. Remember, language is not just about words, but also the colorful expressions that make it vibrant and engaging. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be hitting the bullseye with your English skills. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.